Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can join the groups in your movie. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our account, and after opening the account, as you can see, we will be in the home section. What we have to do, simply we have to go to the group section, and after going to the group section, as you can see, you will be able to see all the different type of groups here. Now you have to choose that which group you want to join. For example, as you can see, here is the group. So I'm going to click on this, and let's click on this. As you can see, now you'll be able to see all the posts here. So I'm going to back to the group section again, and now let's go to the home section again, and now I want to join this group. So let's click on the join, and after clicking on the join, as you can see, you will be able to see the apply to join. So we have to click on the apply to join, and now we need to answer a few questions which they have wrote here, like the where did you hear about our group, are you able to post occasionally, and are you able to emoji your fellow members post. So you have to answer right this, for example, yes and yes. And now I'm going to write the site name here, and let's write the name, and now simply we have to click on the apply to join, and we will be, as you can see, we have applied to join the group. As soon as the group owner approves, you will be able to visit the group and engage them, the posted member. So in this way you can apply through a group. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can join the groups on Mewe. So see you guys in the next video.